Welcome to This Explainer. Look, today I am putting on my financial coach hat because we're tackling something, well, something absolutely crucial. Right now, millions of us are feeling the squeeze of rising prices. Actually, a recent study showed nearly 40% of professionals are working a second job just to keep up. That's wild. But you're a busy professional. You don't have 40 extra hours a week to spare. So my goal today is to help you build a blueprint for a $1,000 plus monthly income stream in 2026. And we're going to do this without trading away all your precious free time. Let's build your wealth efficiently. So, I want you to ask yourself a really critical question. What is your absolute highest leverage professional skill? I'm asking you this directly because, honestly, I know the dilemma you're facing. You need more income, for sure, but your hours, they are strictly limited by your day job and your personal life. To succeed here, we got to shift you from a passive watcher to an active client right now. Your existing skills, the ones you already use every day, are the secret weapon that'll allow you to command higher rates in way less time. Okay, let's dive into this. Here is your 2026 syllabus to maximize your return on time. First, we'll match your skills to side hustles. Second, the fast track to $1,000. Third, high pay with minimal time. Fourth, the AI growth multiplier. And finally, your personal action plan. All right, Section 1, match skills to side hustles. If you have a professional background in math, science, or English, your ideal immediate hustle is online tutoring. Parents are paying literal premium rates for personalized learning right now. Or if your day job involves writing reports, emails, or copy, well, freelance writing is just a seamless transition. And if you're naturally tech savvy or maybe you manage communications, look, small businesses are absolutely desperate for social media management. You don't need to learn a completely new trade from scratch. No way. You just need to package your current professional skills for a brand new audience. Moving right along to Section 2, Fast Track to 1,000. Now, what's really interesting about this is when we rank these hustles by their potential for high hourly pay, you see a massive jump. Online tutoring is fantastic, easily bringing in up to $100 an hour. But consider freelance writing. A single article for a business can pay $500. And then look at video editing. The demand for short-form content is literally exploding right now. Even beginner editors can command up to $1,000 per project. By targeting these premium rates, you drastically reduce the number of hours you actually have to work to hit your financial goals. So, the path is tangible. It's straightforward. Step 1, identify that leverage skill we just talked about. Step 2, secure just 3 to 5 premium clients. That's it. You don't need hundreds of customers. If you're doing social media management at $300 a month per client, you only need 4 clients. Step 3, you cross that $1,000 monthly target. This highly focused approach keeps your daily time investment strictly minimized so it doesn't mess with your main career. Section 3, high pay, minimal time. 5 hours a week. That is your new golden rule. I am challenging you right now to prioritize passive or high-ticket side hustles that require less than 5 hours a week to maintain once they're up and running. If a hustle demands 20 hours of your week, that's not a hustle, that's just a second job, and you will burn out. We want scalable, efficient income. The old, exhausting way of side hustling was chasing dozens of small clients on crowded gig platforms for $20 a pop. Which, let's be real, is a great way to lose your weekend and your sanity. The 2026 way? It's high-ticket freelancing. You focus on a few high-paying clients offering critical business services, things like sales funnels, email campaigns, or consulting. One single premium client paying you $1,000 a month is infinitely better and requires vastly less daily management than 50 clients paying you $20. And this brilliantly illustrates another incredibly powerful way to stay under that 5-hour limit: scalable digital products. Think about ebooks, custom templates, courses, or even print-on-demand designs. This is where scalability becomes a real game changer. You create the product or the design exactly one time, but you can sell it repeatedly, forever. There's no inventory, no warehouse, no shipping headaches. It's a one-time intensive effort that pays out over and over with absolutely minimal daily upkeep.
Section 4, the AI growth multiplier.
So, the crucial point here is the reality of the modern economy. AI allows individuals to operate at a level that once required entire teams. Building a digital business using artificial intelligence is, frankly, the biggest opportunity of 2026. Those who learn how to combine AI with real business skills are going to have a massive advantage over the next decade. To put that into perspective, you can now operate entirely on your own. You can use AI to generate content and research for freelance writing, build websites, automate your email workflows, design print-on-demand products, generate marketing materials, the whole shebang. Companies desperately need these AI content services, but most business owners just don't know how to use the tools yet. If you master these AI capabilities, you can scale your side hustle faster than ever before. You're dramatically increasing your output without increasing your daily workload. Which brings us to Section 5, your action plan. Here is your concrete timeline for 2026. Week 1. Don't overthink it. Just pick one hustle that matches your existing professional skills. Month 1. Your only goal is to secure that very first high-ticket client or launch your first digital product. Just get on the board. Year 1. Scale that to a sustainable $1,000 plus monthly stream. Remember, the people who thrive financially aren't necessarily smarter. They're simply willing to create opportunities beyond their main job. So, I want to leave you with this provocative question. Which of these side hustles would you start today? Whether it's high-ticket consulting, video editing, or building scalable digital templates with AI, the blueprint is right in front of you. Pick your specialized path, commit to that 5-hour-a-week boundary, and take your very first step today. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and I'll see you next time as we continue to build your financial freedom.